I get a girl I go die for. I get a girl I go sing for. 50 girls on default, but now you be the one I go kill for. Baby girl, you be jailer. Handcuff me, no go leave me, oh. You be one in a million.
Hey YouTube! Welcome back to NaturallyPhilo. So today I'm going to style my hair in a twist out. I'm going to add a little extra hair for a little extra oomph, a little extra volume. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve a really cute twist out using my natural hair plus some clip-ins from MyFirstWig, stay tuned. Hey y'all, so to start off this video, look at this growth. Oh my goodness. So I'm winding down on my 6-month hair growth challenge. I'm gonna link those videos in the description box. But 3 things, guys: the growth serum, massaging my scalp, and leaving my hair in twists. So let's get into this tutorial. I'm starting on stretched hair. The clip-ins that I'm using are from a company called MyFirstWig, and these are their Coily clip-ins. So as you can see, the hair comes extremely defined, so this is just my way of stretching it out. So I sprayed some water onto it, and here I'm using the Q-Redew to stretch it out. The styler that I'm using is from Curl Crush. It's their Around the Way gel. I've done many twist outs with this gel, and it always leaves my hair very soft and defined, so I love it. Here I am clipping on the 3 clip. The company sent me 2 packs of hair, but I ended up just using 1 pack for this hairstyle. On my hair right now is Curl Crush gel and also Naturalized styling moisturizer, which is basically an oil mist. So just twisted my hair and twirled up the ends, and that's the first section. So as you saw before, the clip-ins are a little lighter than my natural hair and shorter, but I like to use them because it just gives me a lot more volume. My natural hair is not necessarily as thick, so when I add some clips, it just gives me more volume, so the style just looks better that way. So that's why I like to add some clip-ins when I do styles like this. For those of you who haven't mastered the art of twisting hair, I have a video dedicated to twisting, so I'm gonna link that in the cards and the description box. It just teaches you step by step how to twist your hair so it comes out right. So here I'm just moving on to the next section. If you're wondering how I stretched my hair, I just washed it and then blow dried it. So let's talk a little bit more about this hair from MyFirstWig. It's called their Coily clip-in extensions. It's 3C4A. They also have kinkier hair and also looser textured hair as well. So like I mentioned before, I got 2 packs, but 1 pack comes with 6 pieces of clip-ins. So you get 1 5 clip, 2 4 clips, and 3 3 clips. And that's all I needed for this hairstyle, TBH, because my hair was in its maximum stretch, so I just needed a little extra volume for my twist out to look really good. So just some helpful tips on twisting your hair. Don't twist it all the way to the end. When you get to the end, twirl it onto your fingers just like that, and you're good to go. This ensures that the ends are also curly and that you're not ripping out your hair at the ends. Alright, another helpful tip: when you are twisting your hair with extensions, you want to make sure that you hide the extension. Some people will twist the extension and then twist their natural hair and then clip it on, but nah. You see what I'm doing? I'm adding the clip in the middle just like that, and then putting my natural hair over it. This way you can't even tell where the clips are. And also, this is the front. This is the part people are going to see. This is the middle part. So you want to make sure your blend game is seamless, especially at the front. Now you can get away with the back being crazy, but the front, make sure you really blend the hair. It's easier to blend clip-ins, especially clip-ins that are a bit lighter than your natural hair, when you twist the clip-ins with your natural hair, just like what I just did. So look at these twists. Don't they look OD natural? Except for the hints of tracks that you see. Make sure you cop your Keep It Naturally hats. But y'all get the point. I love twists, and now I'm just gonna go about my day, and the next day. Alright y'all, it's day 2. I left the twist in for them to dry, of course, and also to settle in so it can be more defined. On my hands was argan oil, and now I'm just going to unravel the twist. Look at that, y'all. Like, I ain't playing with y'all. Also, I think when you do twist outs, you should stretch your natural hair. Some people like to do twists on shrunken hair, but look at this definition with my stretched out hair. So I definitely think stretch out your hair if you're gonna do a twist out. Alrighty. But yeah, this definition is insane. I'm loving it. When it comes to separating out your hair, you want to make sure you separate from where your hair naturally wants to, or else you're gonna have intense frizz. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just taking it out where my hair is like, you know what, this is where I want to separate. You see, this way I hold on to as much definition as I can and less frizz. But yeah, y'all, I'm loving this. I didn't want to fluff it out too much because I didn't want to make my hair too poofy. I really loved how subtle and small this looks. But just to puff it out a little bit, I just picked out my roots just like that. And I'm loving these, y'all. I'm looking Gucci. You see how it looks like all the hair is growing out from my scalp? That's what you want. Guys, I am so hyped. This turned out nice. Even though I've done this style multiple times, I just wanted to make sure like it came out nice. I'm so glad I used the combination of products that I did, and I have to say these clip-ins from MyFirstWig are really nice. Like, the blend game is really on point. One thing I would say that my natural hair is more closer to a 1B and the clip-ins are closer to a 2B, so there is some gradient in the color, so it is lighter than my natural hair. But because my blend game is so on point, you really can't tell. Wow, like, this definition is making me so proud of myself. What y'all think? What y'all think how I did? Let me know in the comment section what y'all think of the hairstyle. I'm definitely gonna try it with just my natural hair because I know I'm gonna get comments. People are gonna be like, Philo, can you do a twist out with just your hair? And yes, I will, but I just wanted you guys to see how this looks. My hair is not extremely thick, so when I do styles like this, I love to just add in a little bit of clips so the definition can be great. And this is day 1 twist out. Day 2 is going to be puffier and day 3 is going to be bigger. So to sleep, I'm just going to twist 4 sections and then put on my satin bonnet. I'm definitely not just going to put a bonnet on and go to bed. I'm going to twist this again because I ain't trying to lose this definition. I think I look cute. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this style in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. All information about this hair will be in the description box with a special discount code for those who want to try out this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time on NaturallyPhilo, I'm not in my actual room right now. I'm in Syracuse, so just pretend Keep It Naturally is right here. Until next time on NaturallyPhilo, keep it naturally. Bye.
Article Wan, yeah.